Hey guys, Brian from Progressive Force CrossFit here, head coach here. I want to talk to you guys for a couple minutes today about programming, exactly what we do, how we do it, why we do it, the whole breakdown, and how this sort of factors into folks who are looking just for general physical preparedness or looking for a sport-specific discipline. We actually program off of a 6-day week, and the way that we break this down is we start out on a Monday with working in the heavy and short domain. That's a heavier load, shorter time frame. Tuesday would go to a light and short domain. Wednesday then goes to a heavy and a longer domain. Then we go to Thursday where we've got a lightweight and a longer time domain. Friday we throw in a benchmark, which will be one of the heroes workouts or one of the girls, something along those lines. Allows the athletes to track their progress against other CrossFitters and against themselves on the last benchmarks they performed. Saturday and Sunday you can see are bracketed off here. Those are a fixed modality. Saturday is either a team workout or a obstacle course, something along those lines. A lot of fun, actually. People come in, and the work on an obstacle course is a little bit different than some of the work during the week. In a movement, say for example, like an air squat, the athlete's got to get their hip crease down below their knee and then reach full extension at the top, opening the knee and opening the hips, standing upright. So we're looking at a range of motion. In obstacle courses, it might be more along the lines of just completing work. So for example, climbing over a wall or doing a tire flip. We're not looking for a specific technique. Doing a rope climb is a matter of get up the rope. We don't really care how you do it, which really is actually the ultimate in functional movement. Sunday, we leave it up to the individual athletes. That's either a skill builder or a makeup WOD. If they missed a WOD during the week and they'd like to make that workout up, that's good. If they've got something they want to practice or train on, so skill building, maybe they're power cleans are weak, or their squat snatch is weak, or they're lacking in pull-ups or muscle-ups, they want to work on that. Sunday doesn't change, and Saturday doesn't change. Now, let's say you are a Monday, Wednesday, Friday type of athlete. A problem that can come into play on that is, if you're a Monday, Wednesday, Friday athlete, all you're getting would be heavy, short, heavy, and long, and then a benchmark. So that could be problematic because we get into a rut after a little while. So with these 5 days that you can see are bracketed off here, Monday through Friday, every week we drop those down one day. So essentially heavy and short drops down to Tuesday, light and short drops down to Wednesday, heavy and long drops down to Thursday, light and long drops down to Friday, and then our benchmark goes back up to Monday. So now with that same Monday, Wednesday, Friday type of athlete, we can now see that they're hitting all the necessary disciplines and domains and whatnot. As far as definitions go, long we consider to be anything beyond the 15-minute time domain. Heavy we actually consider anything above a 1.5 pound men's kettlebell, that 53-pound kettlebell. Beyond that, we're talking about heavier loads. While 65 pounds may not seem heavy to an individual, at least the way we program, that's what we're considering heavy. That's kind of the cutoff in the light bubble versus the heavy bubble. I've got a couple things marked down here at the bottom of the board. First one is GPP, General Physical Preparedness. The programming that we have listed up here we think to be the ideal style of programming, whether it be for that soccer mom, that special operations troop, whatever it may be, that SWAT officer, all the way to a doctor, a lawyer, anybody who's looking to improve their GPP. Discipline specific. Let's say you are a high school senior and you're looking to push on and break into the college football ranks. This programming will still work for you. All we're going to do is, on the heavier days, we will make them even heavier. We'll lower the rep scheme and actually increase the loads. And on the lighter days, we'll shorten the duration and we'll increase the loads as well. So everything can be scaled or tweaked to meet your sport-specific needs. The word gets thrown around with CrossFit all the time, which is random. The programming is random, and while I won't say that there aren't affiliates out there that do that and sort of follow the peanut roaster model or the black box, crank the wheel, reach in, pull out what the movements are going to be for the day, we do not. We don't believe in the randomization of things. Life throws random tasks at us, but we need to have some rigidity, some order, some focus, and some real deliberate thought that goes into to what we're actually doing here. Hope this helps for you guys. It actually works pretty well for us. Take care.